Good morning, children. Today we are discussing about the first lesson. Already we started the lesson. Yesterday we finished some of the lesson now. So first lesson, plants increasing the numbers. So we have to plant more and more plants. So we all are get from plants only. We are get food from plants only. So we have to must increase the numbers of plants. So yesterday we discussed what is the germination, dispersal of agents. So 2-3 topics we are completed now. So today we are discussing about the new topic. What is that? New plants from other part of a plant. New plants from other part of a plant. Other part of a plant. So mostly we thought we get plants from seeds only. So mostly we thought like that only seeds only we produce the new plants. But sometimes another parts of a plant also gives birth to new plants. Gives new plants also produced some different parts. So new plants from other part of a plant. Different parts are there, no? If your example we are taking one plant. So here for example we are taking one plant means this is the plant. So for example this is the plant. Okay children, you have to observe this plant. What is this? Leaves. Yes or no? Yes. These are the leaves. Okay, this is the flower. Find out how many parts are there this plant. Okay, this, what is this? What is this? What is this? You have to find out children. This is the leaf. Okay. This is the stem. Okay. This is the roots. Okay children, these all are roots. So mostly new plants from other part of a plant. So today we are discussing about this topic. Mostly we are seeds only. When we are pouring underground the seeds means it will become a new plant. That is we know very well. So here we are taking new parts of a plant. So first of all here leaf, stem, roots. So here stem, first of all we are taking here stem here. So in your garden so many flower plants also there. Vegetables, some members in your gardens, some members vegetable plants have, some members flowers plants also they are dealing. So in our house mostly we like rose flowers. Yes or no? Hibiscus, rose we like most. So we have to take the example of rose flower. So here stem grows. The plant grows from stem only. For example, rose, hibiscus, and another one what? Sugarcane. Sugarcane, we are getting sugar from sugarcane only. So that is also stem cuttings only will produce only new plant. So mostly we are observing in our surroundings also. Your friend's house rose plant have means you ask means how like your friend giving. He cut that stem and you have to you take that stem and directly you have to keep under the ground. So it will become a new plant. Stem cuttings. When we kept under the underground, we kept that stem cuttings, it will become a new plant. See here, this is the rose stem. This is the soil. So This is the soil. Thorns have no stem cuttings. So when we cut the stem, we took our friend's house, that stem, rose stem. So we are kept under the ground or pot, anything. So this is all soil. So these are thorns. So after 1 week we are getting here to plant leaves. We are getting here leaves like that. So next it will become big. Okay children, you have to observe at your surroundings also. So many plants, new plants we will get that from stems. Like that new plant will, leaves will come in this system only. It will become a new plant. Okay children, this is the rose stem. You have to observe this picture. Like that only hibiscus also have, sugar canes also have. Next, root cuttings. Okay, stem cuttings we are taking only flower plants only. We are taking rose, hibiscus, sugar cane, like that only. Okay, underground some we know potato very well. Okay, potatoes, we like potato curry also. This potato it is producing underground only. So this is the stem only produce the new plant. How like it is possible? Why? Because it is a underground stem only producing underground. So first of all, this is the potato. What is this? Potatoes. Okay, listen children. Sometimes we are observing some potatoes here like that the dots have, that the dots looking green in color. After we are storing some days, like that only means it will become a green color, like small leafy green color dots we are observing. That is called buds or eyes. So these birds are eyes. These we have to cut it. We have to cut these birds are eyes. We have to keep out. We have to cut it and we have to took outside and we have to keep under the ground, means underground stem. We have to kept underground, means it will become a new plant. This is the potato plants. This potato plant, new potato plant we will get. So this is also underground stem only. So some stems we are getting upside only, it will grows, but it is the underground. Examples of potatoes and onions, ginger, potatoes are the underground stem. So examples, potatoes ki these birds or eyes have, same like that only onions and ginger also have. Next stem cuttings. Stem, okay, stem over means roots. Okay, roots. When we are observing, we are eating carrots, okay, sweet potatoes. Yes or no? Sometimes we are eating sweet potatoes like morangadda. We are saying in Telugu morangadda, sweet potatoes. And daily, mostly we are eating carrot. A vitamin contains no carrots. So we are eating carrots. This contains roots only. We are eating. These roots only produce the new plant. So only roots parts only we are eating. So carrots and sweet potatoes. This is the underroot only we will get these carrots and sweet potatoes, like that only. Upside that plant also have. So when we are picking that plant, we will get the downside only, that sweet potatoes and carrots. Upside same, oh, like that only plant only have, but we don't see upside that carrots and sweet potatoes. We don't see, why? Because it is covered underground only. When we are pick up that plant means we will get the carrots and sweet potatoes. This is one type of roots. Okay, new plants grow from roots only. New plants grow from stem. Stem after roots. Roots after leaves. Some leaves also produced new plants. Mostly we know bryophyllum. Bryophyllum is the one big leaf. It is very big leaf. So this leaf produced a new plant. Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. So this bryophyllum plant only leaf only produced new plants. This upside like that only have this leaf. So when we are observing this upside, it will become a new plant. Like that leaves coming, it will become a new plant. It will become a new plant. Okay. So like that only new plants. So leaves produced new plant. Different parts we are observing now, beta. Stem, rose, hibiscus, sugarcane. Underground stem means potato, sugarcane. Sugarcane not potato, ginger and onion. Next, roots means carrots, sweet potatoes. Carrots, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. And leaves means bryophyllum. Okay? Understand this topic? Okay. Understand beta? Next, another topic is there. Crops and vegetables. Another topic name, crops and vegetables. Okay, crops. Crops means what? Crops means what? Think once. We are getting food. How like we are getting food? Farmers growing so many crops. So they only produce to us food. Daily we are eating rice, wheat, chapatis eating means that is the wheat flour, chapatis. We are making chapatis with wheat flour. So different types of food items we are eating. Who will give to us? Farmers. So they grow more and more crops. Then we will get the food. So a large quantity of place to food we are getting, that is called crops. So a large quantity of place they are using to grow plants. A large quantity, not only 1 acre, 2 acres, they are taking more and more acres. Rice, the farmers growing rice plants. So they are taking a large quantity of plants, large quantity of place to eat, food purpose, place to grown plants, food item plants. So that is called crops. So rice, bajra, jowar, also different types of crops they are farming. The farmers farming, growing plants. So this is called crops. So crops and vegetables. First of all, yearly mostly farmers their crops growing two times. Okay, farmers grown crops yearly mostly 2 times. First one, Rabi. Next, Kharif. Rabi crops, Kharif crops. Kharif crops. So December, January, February, March, April. 6 months. November, December, January, February, March, April. 6 months. These 6 months they are cropping one type of plants. So this is called Rabi crops. So in this November to April, Rabi crops they know. So this is which season, see children? Say this is which season, summer or winter? November, December we are shivering, no? So this is the winter season. Winter season. So in this season wheat, gram they are planting. So in this season wheat, gram. Wheat, gram. Wheat, gram. They are cropping this wheat and gram plants. So next kharif crops. Kharif crops June to October. June to October. June, July, August, September, October. These 5 months they are planting. They are cropping kharif. Means this is the summer season now. So summer season. So here kharif crops rice, maize, bajra, jowar. Rice, maize, bajra, jowar. Bajra, jowar. So in this season they are cropping rice, maize, bajra, jowar. This type of crops they are cropping. Rabi crops means November to April, winter season. Wheat and gram. Mostly wheat and gram they are planting. Next kharif crops June to October. So the rice, maize, bajra, jowar they are cropping. So next vegetables. Vegetables. So summer some vegetables they are planting, and winter time some vegetables they are planting. So like cabbage, cauliflower, radish, next beans, peas. These all are we are cropping in winter season. Okay, these all are winter season. These vegetables available in winter season only. Okay. Next vegetables like pumpkin. Next brinjal, pumpkin. Like this, like only having no pumpkin. Brinjal, brinjal you know very well. Pumpkin means gummadi. Next brinjal you know very well. Next gourd. Gourd means bitter gourd, bottle gourd. Like that gourds also cropping in we get this type of vegetables in winter season. Sorry, summer season. Already winter season over, now summer season. Okay. So pumpkin, brinjal, gourd we get summer season. Okay. Understand children? Vegetables, cabbage, cauliflower, radish, beans, peas, and we get a winter season. Pumpkin, brinjal, gourd we get a summer season. Okay. Rabi crops, kharif crops like vegetables summer season, winter season we get some vegetables. So mostly November to October we will get rabi crops, and kharif crops June to October. Okay children, I will give the homework. Page number 194. Okay, read the lesson. Page number 193 to 194. Just you have to read the lesson and you have to draw the pictures. You have to practice the pictures. Just read the lesson, page number 193 and 194. See this. You have to draw these pictures and you have to read this lesson. Okay, children?